Hi, welcome to Murari's Finance channel. Continuation to mutual fund. Last but not least, category 7. This is ETF, exchange traded ETF mutual funds. Exchange traded mutual fund. These funds works in the investment of individual stocks. Like how stock markets in how your money investing in stock markets, individual stocks wise, same thing. This fund also invest customers' money in individual stocks to get the good returns and good growth. One of the example is Nifty Base, which tracks Nifty 50 index. This fund invest customers' money in individual stocks which are available in the Nifty 50 index. Please remember, please take financial advisor and expert suggestion before invest your money into any one of the mutual fund. I hope you all found this video is useful. If not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and like, share, comment so that you will get notifications immediately without any further delay. And always support me so that your encouragement will give us a lot to upload many more videos on financial related matters. Thank you so much once again. See you soon. Jai Hind.